Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us see 8 different recipes using mangoes. In this, the first recipe will be mango ice cream. This is one of the quick ice cream recipe that you can try at home. For this we need one big mango. We are going to cut this. Now let us separate the flesh and the skin. I am using the ice cream scooper to scoop the flesh out. You can simply use a small spoon to scoop it out. This is ready. Now let us transfer this into a mixie jar. To this, add a quarter cup of sugar and blend it into a fine paste. Our mango paste is ready. Now let us transfer this into another bowl. Next, we are going to beat the fresh cream. I have taken 250 ml of fresh cream, approximately a cup. And make sure the fresh cream is very chill. Now let us beat this for 3 to 4 minutes, and I am using an electric hand beater. You can very well use a normal hand beater. You don't want to wait for stiff peaks, you're just mixing it very well. For this particular recipe, you can use homemade fresh cream instead of the store-bought one. The fresh cream is ready. You don't want to wait for the stiff peaks because fresh cream won't whip very well. So this consistency is fine. Now let us add the mango paste into this. Give a nice mix. If you do want to collect fresh cream at home, boil a full fat milk, bring down to room temperature and refrigerate it for about 10 to 12 hours. You will get a creamy layer on the top. You have to collect it for 4 to 5 days to get a half a cup of fresh cream. For that half a cup of fresh cream, you can very well use a small size mango. Here the mango and fresh cream has been mixed well. Now we are going to transfer this into another bowl and we are going to refrigerate this. This is ready. We are going to close it tight and freeze this for 10 to 12 hours. Our mango ice cream is ready and this is perfectly set. We can scoop it out. Next, let us see mango milkshake. The next recipe is mango milkshake. Take around 1.5 cups of chopped mangoes. To this, add half a cup of ice cream. It can be of any flavor. The mango and ice cream itself will have sweetness, so if necessary, add some sugar. You can add around 3 to 4 tablespoons or according to your taste. Finally, let us add a cup of milk. This is already boiled and chilled. Give a nice blend until it is smooth. The milkshake is ready. Let us transfer this into a serving glass. If you want, you can add some ice cubes. Serve this chill. The next recipe is mango ice apple juice. For this we need 5 to 6 ice apples. The ice apples has to be smooth and tender, so you have to pick it like that. Now mash this. This is ready. Now take 2 mangoes, peel the skin, chop them and add into this. Mash everything well. To this I am going to add 1 liter of palm juice, and if you don't get palm juice, add tender coconut water. Mix everything well. This juice doesn't need any sweetener because the mangoes and the ice apples will have sweetness in it. If needed, add some sugar or jaggery. The mango ice apple juice is ready. Next we are going to see frozen mango smoothie. This will have a smooth and creamy texture like ice cream, and it will taste so good. For this, take 2 small bananas. Chop the bananas into an airtight container. To this we are going to add 1 large mango, peel the skin and chop it and add into this. Instead of an airtight container, you can also use Ziploc cover. Close the container tightly and freeze this for about a day or 2. While we are using, the fruits has to be hard. This is ready. Now let us transfer this into a mixie jar. To this, add a cup of boiled and chilled milk. Half a cup of yogurt or curd. The required amount of sugar. Half a teaspoon of vanilla essence or vanilla extract. Close this and blend until it is smooth. This is ready. Let us transfer this into a bowl. Top this with few chopped almonds and pistas. Serve this chill. The next recipe is mango saffron smoothie. This will be very creamy and very tasty. For this we need a large mango, peel the skin and chop it. I'm going to use a hand blender here, and if you don't have one, you can use a mixie jar. To this add 3/4 cup of yogurt or curd. Soak a pinch of saffron in warm water for about an hour and add into this. Add some sugar according to your taste. Now blend this well until it is smooth. The very creamy mango saffron smoothie is ready. Top this with few chopped nuts. And a pinch of saffron. Next we are going to see palarasam. This will be absolutely delicious, and do try this at home. For this we will take around 15 jackfruit pods. To this add a 1/4 cup of sugar. You can always adjust the sugar according to your taste. Now blend this properly. You can use either a hand blender or a mixie jar to blend this. Next we are going to add 2 mangoes into this. Peel the skin and add into this. And now it's time to blend it again. If you are using a mixie jar, you can very well grind it separately and mix them together. Now add 1 banana to this. Again blend everything well. So everything is mixed well here. Next we are going to add 2 cups of coconut milk into this. Mix this properly. Your palarasam is almost ready. Before serving, place this in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This will taste so good when it is served chill. The next recipe is mango semolina cupcakes. For this, take around 1 cup of rava, that is semolina. To this add half a cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Give the dry ingredients a nice mix. Next we are going to add the mango pulp. This is 1 cup of grinded mango pulp. Give a nice mix. Mixing is almost over. Next we have to give some time for the rava to absorb the moisture and become soft. So give rest for around 15 minutes. This will make the batter soft. The time is over. Now give a nice mix. And add 1/4 cup of refined oil. And again give a nice mix. The batter is ready. It has to be in this consistency. Please check this out. Now let us get ready with the baking tray. This is a muffin tray and I am using cupcake papers. Now let us transfer the batter into this. Make sure you are leaving some space for raising. By this time, get ready with your oven. Your oven has to be preheated at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Now bake this for around 15 to 20 minutes at the same temperature. Our cake is ready. We can take it out. Top this with some chopped badam and pista. Finally, let us see mango kulfi. For this, we need around half a liter of milk, preferably full fat milk. Now take 2 medium-sized chopped mangoes. Make it into a paste. You can even use a mixie jar for this. So the mango puree is ready. To this, add the prepared mixture. To this, add quarter cup of condensed milk and chopped nuts, that is almonds, pistas and cashews. Give a nice mix. Once this is ready, transfer this into a kulfi mold, paper cup or a plastic cup. Close this with a plastic paper and seal it. Put a small hole for the ice cream stick. Now freeze this overnight or until it is thick. This is ready. Let us take it out now. The mango kulfi is also ready. Hope you liked it. Hope you liked all the recipes. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe.